Good morning, my name is Muddassar Iqbal. I'm a Ph.D. student in the program Human Genetics at the University of Maryland, Baltimore. My dissertation lab is placed at IMET, or the Institute of Marine and Environmental Technology. My dissertation research is about studying the different host factors that modulate the outcome and severity of influenza A infection. Viruses are a very small, very tiny life forms or organisms, and they live very simplistically. That means they have a very limited genetic material combined with a very limited number of proteins. So because viruses have such a limited amount of genetic material and proteins, they are not quite able to propagate themselves on their own. So if they are to be life forms, the salient feature of life is to be able to propagate itself, to be able to reproduce. They are not able to do that on their own. That is why they need a host. Could be a plant, could be an animal, could be humans, to propagate themselves and reproduce successfully. That is why some of these viruses infect humans. In the past, the viruses, seasonal influenza would always cause havoc globally, and especially in the United States. So the kind of work that I am doing and this lab generally is doing, a drug against protein that we are studying. So if and when a person gets the infection and the infection becomes severe, which it does in some cases, a drug targeting this protein can be very beneficial. The application of this research is highly beneficial, because by targeting host factors, we are essentially aiming at a stationary target. Basically, when we are targeting the virus, we are aiming at a moving target, and it's highly difficult to actually hit the target when it's a moving target. With human host factors, we are aiming at a stationary target. So that is the long-term application of a research like this. This year, just like last year, I'm also participating in the REEF program. The Radcliffe Environmental Entrepreneurial Fellow, or the REEF program, entails a set curriculum that trains students on skills that will prepare them for a successful business venture, but can also be applied to academic or industrial careers. Besides, the REEF program stimulates students to take their research ideas out of their labs and into a commercial market to serve a broader community. Identifying a problem, proposing a solution, and building a sound financial plan around your idea or innovation and pitching it effectively are some of the most important skills that I learned through the REEF program. Moving forward, I will apply these skills in the career I pursue beyond graduate school. I would like to thank the Radcliffe Foundation for giving me the opportunity to participate in the REEF program and also awarding me the REEF Fellowship for this year.